What if I told you you could eat a healthy breakfast that tastes like ice cream? Hey guys, I'm Nikki Sizemore. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate smoothie bowl. So a smoothie bowl is essentially a really thick smoothie, but it tastes and feels like ice cream. This version is really nutritious. It's so simple and easy. We love to eat it for breakfast, but also as an afternoon treat or a snack. And this version is naturally dairy-free because we're using Almond Bree's unsweetened vanilla almond milk. This is truly a staple in my house, and I'm so excited to have partnered with Almond Bree's on this video. Can't wait to show you how to make this easy chocolate smoothie bowl. If you give it a try, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That way you won't miss out on any of my wholesome, family-friendly, and naturally gluten-free recipes. You're gonna need a half cup of the Almond Bree's unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I love this because it has a hint of vanilla flavor and it tastes slightly sweet, but it's completely unsweetened. And you don't need any additional sugar in this smoothie bowl besides bananas. We use this for everything, cereal, we drink it by the glass. It's also a fantastic dairy-free substitute in your baked goods. You can just use it as a one-to-one swap for regular milk. So we've got that. I'm gonna grab some frozen bananas. I always have a stash of frozen bananas on hand. You can use them for smoothies, smoothie bowls. You can even defrost them and use them in your baked goods like banana bread. So just peel any bananas you have left over at the end of the week, pop them into a zip top freezer bag or a airtight container, and then just keep it in the freezer. So you'll need 2 frozen bananas, and these are really important because they give the smoothie bowl its thickness and its richness without having to add any ice. And let's flavor this up a little bit more. So I have some unsweetened cacao powder, a dash of cinnamon, some peanut butter, because what goes better with bananas and chocolate than peanut butter? And then last but not least, a pinch of sea salt. And this is going to provide some electrolytes, but it's also going to enhance the sweetness of the bananas. That's it. You can always throw some other things in here like chia seeds, flax seeds if you want some more fiber or some more protein. Now you need to make a smoothie bowl in a high-speed blender, or you can use a food processor. So grab your tamper. All right, you want to blend this while stirring until it is nice and thick. This looks perfect. All right, the fun isn't over yet. I'm gonna show you how to serve this. You can top the smoothie bowl with any number of toppings. We've got cocoa nibs, chopped peanuts or any nuts you like, fresh fruit, seeds, hemp seeds or chia seeds, toasted coconut, or granola. Of course, you don't have to go for all of them. You can just choose 1 or 2, or you can go big. See how thick and creamy that is? All right, now for the fun part. Can't think of a better breakfast or snack. My kids go nuts for this. Come on. It's chocolatey, you've got that hint of peanut butter, the sweetness from the banana. This is so good. I hope you guys give this chocolate smoothie bowl recipe a try. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Here's to more ice cream bowls for breakfast. I'll see you next time.